In this video I want to show you a very useful command that's often overlooked, and it's very useful when you're drawing multi-view drawings where you have a front, side, and a top view, and you want to quickly draw the projections using infinitely long lines, offset them to the correct dimensions, then trim them, and you basically cut your work time in half instead of using relative or polar coordinates and the line command in a palette above. So Autocad makes it very easy. There's a command called an X line. You could type it out in full or just use a shortcut for XL. Type in the letters X and a L, and you specify whether it's a horizontal, vertical, angle, bisect, or offset line. So, for example, if we wanted to draw a horizontal infinite long line, I would enter H, and now I have an infinitely long horizontal line. I could set it down where I want it. Then I would escape that command, and I can offset that line. Say by 1 inch or 1 unit, and if I wanted to draw another infinite long line, say a vertical one, I would enter XL again, enter V, enter, set that down. I can offset that by 1 unit. For example, if I'm drawing a 1 inch cube, and it's pretty simple. The other useful command is array command, and basically it's an infinitely long one-directional line, and the command for that is just ray, R-A-Y. You basically specify the starting point. For example, if you wanted to use this intersection here using the OSNAP commands by holding down Control, right mouse button, I would select intersection, and if I wanted to draw an infinitely long ray in a 45-degree direction to the right, I would enter at 45, and no, I apologize, let me try that again. Ray at intersection, enter 45, and that's how you set it down. And suppose I want to draw another one at 30 degrees, then I would type in the word ray, select an endpoint, for example, of this ray, and I needed a ray at 30 degrees. I would just enter 30 degrees, and there you have it. And if I zoom out, basically they're infinitely long lines. So when you zoom all, if you use the zoom all command, it doesn't want to cooperate very well because, again, they're infinitely long lines. So first thing you need to do is trim them to some size, and then you can use your zoom all command, and it will focus on all of the elements that are not. Basically, if I were to trim those lines, let's cut them off, say here, and I use the trim command. And delete temporary lines as just true. Now if I use the zoom all command, all of the lines come into focus, and there's no issue with infinitely long lines. But there you have it, infinitely long lines and infinitely long rays.